Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. I have a long position currently in the S&P 500 E-minis. This will be a day trade. I purchased about 10 contracts, exactly 10 contracts actually here, right around, call it 1402 and I think it's 0.35, so halfway between a quarter and a half when the market sold down into this moderately undervalued territory on a 240-minute chart. These can be great entry points here, and the question really becomes now is this market going to head higher, or have we just seen a bounce back here for the stock market to start heading lower? Now, one thing I'm going to watch, I've already got a break-even stop in on my trade, so I'm not really at risk of losing anything here, but I'd rather not give back my profits, which are right under $2,000 right now. I'm really playing the fact that we are in Washington, the president and Congress are meeting for, call it the fiscal crisis talks. This is not a perfect trend line, by the way, but so really what I'm betting on is I'm betting that there could be some good news that comes out today of some kind, whether it's, if nothing else, we're making progress or we've come to a temporary solution and we'll tackle the hard issues on Capitol Hill later on in the year, but something positive to come out today. Now, if something negative were to come out, then I would imagine the stock market would probably get crushed a little bit here, but I'm betting that there could be something positive. I combine that with the fact that the S&P 500 again traded down in the moderately undervalued range here, right below the 1402 and a half area here, and so typically that's a very good place to get in any kind of sideways or bullish context. And then now that I've got the prices have rallied away from my entry point, I have a degree of separation, and I've gone ahead and put in a stop loss at break even there. So drilling down here a little bit to the 30-minute price bars, we're right in this consolidation period. We saw a very nice run up here. I thought about getting out at the value target of moderately overvalued on a 30-minute basis, but I didn't do that. So now I'm just kind of holding out here because I thought there was a chance that we could head higher here and maybe even get up to the 1415 to 1420 price level if Congress and the president can come to some sort of an agreement with respect to the fiscal cliff. So this is my fiscal cliff trade, using value charts again to get in at a strategically attractive entry point, moderately undervalued basis the 240-minute price bars. So this is where I'm at. I'm going to keep on watching this. I definitely will be out of this by the end of the day, either probably stopped out at break even, or if we get any kind of good news or positive news out of Washington, then maybe this trade will have some legs under it where we could have another surge of maybe 10, 15 points to the upside. So we'll see how this works out next week, maybe with a follow-up on this, but so far so good, and we'll just continue to watch this through the closing of today. Have a great weekend. Happy New Year to everybody. Thanks for watching.